Healthy food on a budget? You bet. Ever feel like eating healthy is a luxury you can't afford these days? Many people think healthy eating means fancy ingredients and lots of money, but guess what? It's totally possible to eat well without breaking the bank. With a little planning and some clever tricks, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals every day of the week. The key is to ditch the idea that healthy eating is expensive and complicated. It's all about making smart choices and being organized in your approach. In this video, we'll explore how to shop smart, cook efficiently, and enjoy healthy meals without the stress. Get ready to discover the world of budget-friendly, clean eating and feel great.
Smart shopping and cooking, your secret weapons. Now that we've busted the myth of expensive healthy food, let's talk about smart shopping and cooking strategies that can save you money. Firstly, buying in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially for staples like rice, beans, and oats. Look for sales and discounts, and don't be afraid to buy frozen fruits and veggies. They're just as nutritious as fresh and last much longer. When it comes to cooking, keep it simple and straightforward. One-pot meals, stir-fries, and salads are all quick, easy, and budget-friendly options. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier choices and less food waste, which is always a plus.
A recipe for success, simple and delicious chicken and veggie bowls. Ready to put your meal prep skills to the test? Here's a super easy and delicious recipe for chicken and veggie bowls that's perfect for meal prepping. Ingredients: 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups of broccoli florets, 1 cup of chopped bell peppers, half a cup of chopped red onion, cooked quinoa or brown rice for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Season chicken breasts with paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper. 3. Heat olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Sear chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. 4. Add broccoli, bell peppers, and red onion to the skillet around the chicken. 5. Transfer skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. 6. Serve chicken and vegetables over cooked quinoa or brown rice and enjoy your healthy meal.
The winning formula: budget-friendly food. Healthy you. Eating healthy on a budget is absolutely achievable and incredibly rewarding for everyone. By planning your meals, shopping smart, and cooking efficiently, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious food without breaking the bank. Remember, healthy eating is an investment in your health and well-being, so why wait to start? Try this simple recipe and discover the joy of budget-friendly clean eating today. Share your experiences, get creative in the kitchen, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you.